nice people out there helped me out and gave me directions and a map here. So that's pretty helpful. I went the Wake Robin Trail. You can see that. And then I'm over here, the Nature Center, that triangle. So quite a ways away. See a trailhead over here. Hey, Rick Stone. I'm out here at Forest Park Nature Preserve Park in Peoria, Illinois. I just left Detweiler Park, and you know, Monday I already hiked the River Bluff Trail, the Illinois River Bluff Trail. I'm gonna check some of the trails out here. Let's go. Okay, so I see Wilderness Trail on the map there. I'm just gonna take it up and around and hopefully get to the Wake Robin Trail. Looks like a big loop. Such a beautiful day for November. You know, it's around 10:30, 11 o'clock now, but it is pretty nice. I'm not very cold at all. I brought my inner thermal and my new shell, but I just took them off and I'm just wearing my hoodie with my pack, so I'm pretty good. Oh, the sun is gorgeous. So according to the map, the Wilderness Trail is going to curve to the right up here, and then kind of a left and loop around to the Possum Path Trail. And that should lead us to the Wake Robin Trail. Yep, here it is, curving to the right. See another little bridge over here. Makes me think of the Illinois River Bluff Trail. Bridge land. Or Bridge Trail. Whatever you want to call it now. All the leaves fluttering. God, it's a beautiful day. Kind of want to take my hat off, but my hair's all messy. Going up. Hi, pretty. They don't even care. Little walkway up there. Oh, I'm climbing. Little bench here so you can take in the views. Saw a couple deer. Oh, there's one. They're everywhere. So nice out here. Sure are a lot of pregnant trees here in Peoria. I'm kidding. I think. Whew. Whew. I'm winded easily today. Every day's a little different. A little 360 here. I'm home. I'm gonna sit on this bench for a second. I've earned it. Woo! Now that was a nice break. I'm gonna do some more hiking now. Down, down, down. I haven't seen a fork for the possum path or anything yet. Hopefully I didn't miss it. You know, with fall it's a little harder to see the trail sometimes. Down, down, down. That moss is pretty on those logs. Very pretty. I said pretty. Whatever. You know, I was gloating about my cheap Walmart shoes being pretty awesome in my River Bluff Trail video. So of course, right after, the bottom's like peeling off now. I spoke too soon. Sign up here. Okay. Oh good. Possum path to the left like I thought it would be. Awesome. So I started there, went all the way down here, and I'm here. So I'm going to go left on the possum path, take it up, and then take a left on Wake Robin Trail, and I'll be on Wake Robin. Let's do it. Another hiker. Such a beautiful late morning here. You know, this map is showing miles and miles of trails around here. I just had to pick some, you know, for my day hike today. Possum Path. Up and down, up and down. That's a couple hikers. The lady down there. So we took the Wilderness Trail and got on to Possum Path. Now I'm headed up to Wake Robin. Definitely thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to hike the rest of this trail up to Wake Robin and check it all out. So I'll see you Thursday the 26th. But like and subscribe. I'm Rick Stone. Happy trails.